how I do this braided look on my Hermes size 90. And it also works with a Twilly. The scarf that I am using first is Art to Step by Annie Faivre. Love the colors. I thought it went really nicely with this sweatshirt. It is a cashmere 90, but it will also work just as well with a silk 90. Starting with this in a bias fold, sure both corners are even. I'm just gonna start with a simple knot at the front. It's like this. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna take this piece over and then put it through the back. Bring it to the front. And we're gonna take this piece, put it over to the back, to the front. Now this one over, to the back, to the front. Now this one over, to the back, to the front. Kind of out of space. Here is the look. We're gonna tie a little knot right here. And here is our braided look. Our second look, we're sticking with a similar color palette, is Precious Paradise by Katie Scott. Around my neck, even corners, knot. And we're just gonna do the exact same thing. Over, to the back, to the front, over, to the back, to the front. And then one again. And here is our braided Twilly. And it also works with an Hermes Twilly. And it also works with an Hermes Twilly. Also works perfectly with a Twilly. And it works just as beautifully with a Twilly.